Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I last uploaded the video and I would like to share what all happened in these almost 30 days span when I last uploaded the video. Since in previous video I told you that I am going to join LMIT Jaipur CSE branch. Fact is that I joined also. I went to LMIT Jaipur and I'll add the clips where I joined the orientation process etc. But I also told you that I will be waiting for the CSET rounds. So in the mock round of CSET, I was allotted Triple IT Una CSE branch, and I was really happy about it. But I was hoping that I get Triple IT quota AIDE for a chance in the real CSET rounds. But then I was there for almost in LMIT. I was there for almost 15 days from 29th to 14th, and I enjoyed my days there also because there were treasure hunts, orientation, and various activities going on in which I got to meet new people, make some new friends. But slightly, I was there unhappy because I wanted to get something in C7 round. Then, when the result for the first C7 round came, I was allotted no seat at all. I was very disheartened, but still, I had hopes for the second round, and I was very skeptical of moving forward to the second round or exiting in the after the first round only. Because if I got Triple IT Naya Raipur, which I had filled in the last of my list, I would not go there because it is too far from my home. And going from Bareilly to Jaipur only was really hectic for me. So I had decided that if I get Triple IT Naya Raipur, I'm not going for sure. So I was very skeptical about exiting or moving forward in the second round. But then finally we made a decision, me and my family, that we will go forward in second round and see whatever it happens. It would have deducted 40,000 obviously if I got any branch in Triple IT Nayarapur and I didn't take it. But that didn't happen because I was allotted the exact same branch that I was allotted in Bokran. That is Triple IT Una CSE branch in the second round of CSAB, which happened approximately on 12th August, and the result came on 11:30 p.m. I was really excited and happy to see that I was allotted a seat in Triple IT Una and that to CSE branch. So I have made my decision for sure that I am leaving LMIT and moving to Triple IT Una. So I stayed in LMIT Jaipur till 14th because the result came on 12th for CSAT. So on 13th I did the some of the formalities of refund and withdrawing my admission there. And then we came to Una this morning, and this is 16th August. And today we'll go to college and see whatever, see the admission process. And if the college is closed today because of 16th August, today is a holiday. So we'll complete the process of admission on next day, that is tomorrow. So stay tuned for the further updates also.